Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Locust Grove, low-calp and long-distance movers. Near me. Distance is not an issue for us at 3 movers. We have dedicated time to put everything in place to ensure our long-distance moves are smooth and successful. If you are moving over 50 miles from your current address, it is a long-distance move, and 3 movers have you covered. When you hire our long-distance movers, we can guarantee not only a fast and smooth move, we also ensure your belongings are damage-free. Some authorities regulate long-distance relocation. We work with these authorities and have permits to move within the state or intrastate. We also have licenses to organize interstate moves, which are moves that extend across state borders. Our trucks are strong and well-maintained, and they can withstand the pressures of traveling far distances. We have insurance coverage to protect your interest in case of any risk during the move. Our drivers transport your belongings safely and promptly to your destination. Our movers are the most efficient in Locust Grove, Georgia. Our movers are disciplined, experienced, and well-trained. We have sufficient moving trucks to transport your belongings to your new residence. Our local moves are always on time regardless of how congested the city is. Our moving rate is the cheapest you can get anywhere, which is why we are the favorite of the locals. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour. Despite our affordable rates, our moving services are top standard. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Locust Grove moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.